Hi, I'm going to show you a 5-minute video of me doing a really quick take on a table I've been finishing off for my son. We did this marble table together. It's a little coffee table. I'm not actually going to show you any of the prep work yet. I'll do that in a later video. I'm just going to show you quickly a minute's video of what it looks like at the finish. Okay. Like the video, subscribe, button's right there, and throw me a few comments. That would be great. Really looking forward to hearing from you. I'll catch you on the next one. Thanks.